Here I've got Motorola Razr from 2019, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open security and location, and here click on fingerprint. And if you would like to unlock your device, your Motorola with fingerprint, just click on setup. But at first you have to pick some backup. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. I will choose pattern, and now just draw the unlock pattern that you would like to apply. Then tap on next, and again just draw it. Tap on confirm to save it, and decide if you would like to see all notification content, if you would like to hide sensitive ones, or if you don't want to see them at all, and this is what I will pick, and then click on done. And now it's time to find the sensor and tap on it with your fingerprint. So just keep tapping. And as you can see, it has been added, so click on done to finish the whole operation. And from now on you will be able to unlock your phone with this fingerprint only, just by tapping, or you can use the backup pattern. So just click here, and now you can enter the pattern that you set. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.